Need to quickly find some text in your current project with VS Code? Try Quick Search. This can be a fast alternative to the normal search panel over here. It has the same functionality in that it searches through all files in your project for some specific text and then shows you the results, but it uses Quick Open instead of the search panel over here. To start a quick search, we can just press ctrl+p or command+p, and now we have the Quick Open menu. Now instead of typing a file name, I'm just going to type %, followed by the search term. So if I wanted to search for JavaScript style to-do comments, I could say % and then // to-do, and you can see that I now have my search results. The quick search results are going to display the file name and then the results within the file. So in this case, I have a couple different results here. If I arrow through the list to preview these, you can see that I get a nice preview of the actual search result down here. Once I find the result that I'm after, I can just click on it or press enter and I'll navigate to that result directly. Quick Search doesn't have all the functionality of the search panel over here, but it does have two advantages. The first is that it's fast, and the other advantage is that you can use it without having the panel or sidebar or anything visible. So even with the sidebar hidden, I can now do a quick search just by pressing ctrl+p or command+p, type in % and then my search term. So I want to search for undefined, for instance. I can see all the places where undefined appears in my project. Arrow through the list until I find the one that I'm after, and then press return to navigate directly to that file. There's currently not a default key binding for Quick Search, but if you use the feature often, you can easily set one up. Quick Search isn't intended to replace the normal search panel, but it can be a fast alternative when you're just wanting to quickly find some text. So that's a quick look at Quick Search in VS Code.